Hey guys, Josiah here with Aesthetyx Fitness. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I just figured out how to make the most delicious tasting protein shake ever, and I wanted to share it with you. Alright, so the first ingredient, as with any good protein shake, is a good single malt scotch. Something 18 years or older if you have it. If not, 12, 15 will do as well. Alright, no, obviously it's not going to be that good, but seriously though, it's pretty delicious. So let's get started. Alright, so what we have here is a bag of MyProtein French Toast flavored whey protein powder, a bottle of Fairlife Skim Milk, a jar of PBFit high protein peanut butter powder, a bottle of maple syrup, a jar of cinnamon, and a jar of nutmeg. Now when I make a protein shake, I like to add the milk first because it actually prevents the protein powder from sticking to the bottom of the shaker, which then you get more protein and have less mess to clean up afterwards. So add 1 cup of the Fairlife Skim Milk, 1 scoop of MyProtein French Toast flavored protein powder, throw that in there, and MyProtein, PBFit, Fairlife, none of these guys are sponsors of this video. These are just the products I happen to have on hand, and I happen to also really enjoy them, so give it a try yourself. And then you're going to add a little bit of maple syrup. Now, just add like 2 tablespoons, and you're not going to be going too crazy on carbs, but having some fast-digesting carbs in a protein shake is not a bad thing, especially if you're drinking it after a workout, because the fast-digesting carbs are something your body is actually going to be wanting and needing after workout to help shuttle the protein into your muscles. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of PBFit protein powder. So just take approximately 2 tablespoons worth and dump it in there. And last but not least, add in a little bit of cinnamon, or a lot of cinnamon if you like. No calories in cinnamon, it's just a seasoning, so just add some good flavor to the protein shake. And just a little touch of nutmeg helps really round out the flavor profile. Then you just add a little bit of water to prevent it from getting too thick, screw the top on, and shake like the dickens. After a little while, you might think you're done, but seriously, keep shaking it. Shake it like you want to take its lunch money. It's basically the workout after your workout. Yeah, that's pretty dang good. You guys give it a try, let me know what you think. Obviously, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like down below, and of course, subscribe to this channel because I've got new content coming out all the time for you. And of course, comment down below letting me know what you thought of this recipe. If you have any of your own, share them down below. And post any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos so that I can help you train smarter and look better.